Hello guys, this is a quick unboxing video for NETGEAR cable modem router model number C3700, which is a DOCSIS 3.0 cable modem, dual band, which it supports Xfinity, Spectrum, Cox, Internet. Let's see its technical specification. It says built-in 3.0 modem, N600 simultaneous dual band, Wi-Fi transmitter receiver, security standards. Oh, it has a USB 2.0, which is nice, and it has 2.4 and 5 gigs hertz band. That's nice. And features are like faster Wi-Fi, blah blah blah, sharing, Wi-Fi range, security, and that's pretty much. Okay, it says package content here. It should have a cable modem router, Ethernet cable, installation guide, nobody cares about that, and a power adapter. That being said, let's unbox it. Okay, well, I bought this modem plus router today itself, and because my earlier modem just died. I mean, technically speaking it works, but it doesn't show up any Wi-Fi signal. It only shows a Ethernet or a LAN connection, which is not good. Alright, let's get rid of this plastic. Okay, let's find out how to open it. Okay, oh, it's already coming out. This is a quick start guide, this is a warranty. Okay, let's keep it aside for now. And okay, here it is. Oh, that wasn't that hard to open. Okay, let me keep this aside first and show you real quick what are the content of this box. As we talked about it earlier, just a adapter and Ethernet cable. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, so it says at 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, and it has one USB port, to Ethernet jack, coax cable, power, on off. I like this. It has a quick on off thing. Sometimes it's really easy when you are over a phone talking to a customer that you have to reset the modem. I think it's really handy, and it's pretty small, compact, and lightweight. I really like it. That's it for the unboxing video. Let me go and test it. Bye bye.